You know, being in a band isn't cheap. Yeah! It's Thursday. What up? Trav and I are rehearsing today. Oh, we're excited. Only got 2 more rehearsals till our Halloween show. Oh shit, I gotta hit the button. Bunzy gave this to me. Shout out Bunzy. There we go. I say it all the time, but stickers are life. Stickers are fucking life. Shit's so heavy, fuck! Yo, we're playing here in 2 weeks. Hey, Sean, hey! Supposed to do some installs at HG and no ladder. Anyways, off to rehearsal now. Just had to stop. Mini Mart, get some gum, some fishies. Never had the citrus. Hopefully they're not bad. Hurt my voice last week, so I've just been knocking back the teas like all week. I think I've drunken. Yo, just waiting on Trav to get here. You know the drill. Also, Trav just sent me a video. We're gonna drop probably on Monday. He's been editing, and I'm fucking amped on it. I just watched it for the first time, and I'm stoked on it. Trav, I love you, dude. He's my better half. Half the band, the homie. Trav, I'm gonna tell you when you get here, but stoked on it, dude. Turned out really good. Also, got a donut. What kind? No! What did they do? Yo, I asked for vanilla dip. You know what's up. And they gave me a fucking cruller. Damn. Tim's, why are you doing me fucking dirty like that? There he is. He sees me. Oh yeah, look at that. Beauty parking. Dude, the video's so sick, man. Yeah? It's fucking sick. Yeah, I need to get one.
What up, Chin's mom?
Yo, shout out Chin's mom.
How you doing,
Sick
bro?
sweater. Oh!
Oh, someone's on shit mood. Is that in?
Shit, man, start pounding back. I'm already getting there.
I feel like it'll match like my comedy style.
I don't know, it's a lot of like, I think it's funny, like you like put your hands in your pockets like this. You just talk like that. That's a big fat belly move.
Yeah. That type of deal?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's just like dad vibes.
Dad vibes are the hardest. Here we go. Yo, ask for sprinkle? What the fuck is this?
I got a honey cruller too!
What's up with that,
Yeah! It's so like structurally different than a regular donut.
I know.
You know, like what is it, like a hybrid?
This song's about being in a car accident.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Holy shit!
Okay, the new one?
Yeah, let's do it.
Whew! I feel pretty good about it. I think we got it down to a science.
Oh, almost to a science. I wrote it down to a hypothesis.
Calling that one the throat destroyer.
Yeah, honestly. Shit.
You can do it, bro.
No!
Here.
Ripperoonie.
Swipe right on me.
What am I supposed to do when it feels hard loving you? Start getting easy, like when we first met. I'm lost in my thoughts. Your girl said I'm a thought. But just slide in to say that I did, just to feel good again. The gold hairs on your face, the gold hairs across your nose. I am fast asleep, laying on the concrete. I love my baby, she drives me crazy. I love my baby, she drives me crazy. Wow.
Jesus.
I love that one, man.
I feel like I was so fast.
That's the one.
That's fire, dude. Yeah.
We need to start taking like pre-workout. Shit.
Yeah.
Oh my god. So dead.
Yeah, I think we should stretch maybe before we start.
Part of like the Pink Floyd thing.
What is this?
Is it?
If you know what it is.
I'm saying it's Bowie.
Bowie? I'm thinking it's like some guy from like Avatar. There's a
I
definitely.
think the tape on the back is for like a roach.
It's disgusting,
You know,
dude.
just like.
Yeah. Driving home, got the phone call that the other guitar is all done being repaired. Oh my god, I could cry. You don't know how happy I am right now. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Holy fuck, it looks like it's brand new. Yo, Fender. Cheers to you, baby.